Hi everyone, it's me Timotheus, and today I want to share a recent experience that reminded me of the profound importance of being there for our loved ones. It's a lesson that's been etched in my heart, and I believe it's one we can all benefit from. So let me take you back a bit. In my last video, I talked about how sometimes life doesn't go as planned. My mom told me she was having terrible gum pain and feared that her teeth were damaged. So without hesitation, we rushed to the dentist's office, and it turned out that she had a couple of cracked teeth and needed extraction. So there she was in the dentist room, and she was feeling a lot of pain, right? Uh, Being there with her in the dental room, watching her in discomfort, really, tugged at my heartstrings. It's never easy to see someone you care about in pain, but I knew I had to be her rock and support. I held her hand, offering words of comfort as the procedure went on. Well, she had her teeth extracted. Yeah, so after the extraction, the pain was still quite intense for my mom. So I made sure she felt as comfortable as possible when we returned home. Uh, Before we left for the dentist, she actually prepared a pot of sweet potato soup. It was meant to be her dinner, so just nice. Her teeth, in pain, and she cannot wear her dentures. So sweet potato soup is soft food. Yeah. So after dinner, she retreated to her room to rest, eventually drifting off to sleep. Throughout the evening, I regularly checked in on her. I'm grateful that I could be there for my mom during this challenging time. It's a poignant reminder of the significance of being present for our loved ones, especially when they're navigating through rough waters. Now, let's talk about what this experience has taught me and what it could mean for you. Yeah. The first thing I learned is that be present. When someone you love is going through a tough time, be there physically and emotionally for them. Yeah, it's invaluable. That means immersing yourself in the moment and offering a listening ear without judgment. Don't keep looking at your phone. Second, offer your support. Let your loved ones know that your unwavering support is just a call away. Yeah, or you're just there for them. Whether it's running errands, whipping up their favorite meal, or simply lending a sympathetic ear, make it clear that you're ready to help in any way possible. And the third thing I learned is be patient. Yeah. Sometimes our loved ones may be overwhelmed by emotions or stressed by, when they go through some trauma or something difficult. During these moments, patience becomes paramount. Remember that they are navigating choppy waters and their responses might not always align with their usual selves. So, be patient with them. And the fourth point is don't give up. Even when it gets tough, don't ever think of giving up on them. They need you. The support you offer can be their anchor in the storm. Your unwavering presence and care can make all the difference in their journey to healing. So, there you see, yeah, being there for our loved ones isn't just a responsibility, it's a privilege. It shows them that you genuinely care, and the love remains steadfast through life's twists and turns. Amidst all this emotional roller coaster, I managed to keep my work on track. Yeah, I managed to create 3 blog posts and videos, have them all scheduled, and I will add more. So there you go, right? You adapt and you still can get your work done. Don't worry. So with my content calendar extending to mid-September, I'll have ample time to dive into writing my book starting tomorrow. Feeling motivated and inspired? I hope so. Absolutely. Life has its twists and turns, but the key is to adapt, persevere, and never lose sight of your goals. Till next time, my friends, I wish you all robust health, boundless prosperity, and the joy of nurturing your passions. Together, we can brighten the world with the colors of our dreams. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, being there for our loved ones is a precious gift, a gift that we can give, and it's a power to change lives. So let's be the support system for our loved ones. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.